Do you want to use risk-reward ratios or trading stops in your trading? With ManHedger, it is now possible. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the latest update of the ManHedger EA, and I will also talk about the pricing policy. Let's get started. First of all, let's download the EA or update the EA if you've already downloaded it. You can find this in the Utilities tab of the market, which is in the navigator of the MetaTrader 5. In MetaTrader 4 you can find this in the toolbox. You just type in ManHedger, the ManHedger MT5 or ManHedger MT4 pops up, and you can click update and you will automatically get the newest attributes of the EA. Now after you download it, it should pop up in the Expert Advisors tab, and let's initialize it. As you can see, there are two new input parameters, which is the grid comment and the zone recovery comment, so that you can distinguish your EA's trades. The grid comment can be any text you want. For example, let's say GBP USD grid. So from now on, whenever we ask grid strategy, the trades will have the comment GBP USD. When clicking OK, the panel initializes, and as you may have noticed, there are two new buttons, the RiskReward and TrailingStop button. Now let me demonstrate how they work. First, I'm about to show the risk-reward ratio with the help of the display lines button. The main idea behind the risk-reward ratio is to fixate your trade's current risk-reward. Whenever you turn it on, changing the take profit will change the stop loss according to the current risk-reward ratio. This enables you to easily enter trades with a specific risk-reward ratio. For example, if I want to enter a trade with a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, I just type in 200 points for the take profit and 400 for the stop loss, fixate the risk-reward, and from now on, I will know that I will have a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio when entering the trade. You can enter trades with trailing stops, turning the trailing stop on. Trailing stop means that the stop loss level will automatically adjust whenever the price goes in the favor of your trades. So whenever the price goes up, in this example, the stop loss will be moved slightly higher. The stop loss will always have the same distance from quote-unquote the best price of your trade as it had from the price when entering. So from now on, you can not only create grid and zone recovery strategies, but you also have a trade manager that introduces trailing stop and risk reward ratios to your trading. I would advise everyone to download this EA while it's free, because I'm planning on making it paid eventually. You should also check out the tutorial video I've made about the EA. I would appreciate if you would review the EA on the MQL5 marketplace. Any feedback, question or suggestion about new features the EA should have can help me to make this tool even better. If you would like to see more videos about free MetaTrader tools, EAs or indicators, make sure to like and subscribe. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Have a great day. Cooking up with a booze. My niggas